Exposing the secrets behind a successful website, I will show you how to get the best web solutions of your life. Struggling with an old, slow, or unresponsive website? Your business deserves better. At Websot7, we build modern, fast, and user-friendly websites that drive results. Imagine a custom website development tailored to your needs, an e-commerce solution that boosts sales, and UI/UX design that keeps your customers engaged. Plus, with SEO and digital marketing and web maintenance and support, we cover all the bases to ensure your online success. Trusted by businesses worldwide, our clients love the transformation we bring. Websot7 took our website to the next level. Our sales have doubled since partnering with Websot7. Let's build something amazing together. Contact Websot7 today. Visit websot7.com for more details. Innovating web solutions for your business growth.